Hi there, check out the AGXI 10-inch full-size bed frame, a heavy-duty metal platform that needs no box spring. This sleek black frame stands 10 inches high, perfect for taller mattresses or anyone who likes a low bed. Made with reinforced metal rods and sturdy legs, it offers strong stability and long-lasting support. The noise-free design eliminates creaks and sliding sounds for a peaceful night's sleep. Plus, it provides ample underbed storage to help keep your room clutter-free. Assembly is quick and easy with all hardware and tools included. Transform your bedroom with this stylish, durable, and practical bed frame today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.